FOAID is doing is really creating a fantastic loop that is really critical to how innovation and learning and archiving of knowledge happens. Be part of this incredible celebration of design and architecture.
Every edition has been built on your energy. Every milestone is shaped by your creativity, and every success is powered by this extraordinary community.
It's quite enriching.
Very ambitious gathering.
Very festive.
And I just feel like, I've come home.
Over the past 12 incredible years, FOAID has evolved into one of the country's most vibrant design moments.
Let the flame fill the night.
A lot of people are innovating with materials and building technologies all the time. And then it allows them to showcase that product. It allows designers to use the product, experiment with it.
I had a lot of conversations today that were just me and maybe a vendor that were very interesting. How can I take my project forward? How can I take my brand forward? At the same time, working with talking to a room full of people, also coming up with new ideas. So
every year I see evolution. I see a point where both architecture, design and interiors, they are converging together.
FOAID is not just celebrating the Festival of Design and Architecture this year, they are actively participating in bringing the entire fraternity, architects, designers, vendors and also students to encourage the conversation which is going to define our built environment in coming days.
Great festival for interior designers, architects. For the fraternity, they are really doing good.
I absolutely love the way you have set it out. And I really like the way the speaking arena has been set up. That's truly international class.
And it was great to see different people, presenting their talent in different forms. And I really enjoyed it.
My God, this is the first time a stage of this kind. Congratulations, FOAID, for making it bigger and better every year.
We get the recognition, but there are so many unsung heroes, so many talent that contribute for our designs to come true. So that actually keeps us going as a professional and especially being an architect.
Where thought leaders come together and try to solve a problem or be a solution provider to problem that exists, happened to come here just as I waited for the next panel of Build India Vision to start. But a great initiative. So it's interesting to see what the young architects and designers have put together and the kind of work that's being done all over the country. And so it's one platform where we sort of get to meet them.
Let's go back.
As a designer, if you're not different, then you're not being true to yourself, because every one of us as a designer has a unique story to tell, and we need to bring that to life.
Only your work speaks. Nothing else speaks louder than your work. Stay real, stay rooted and focus on the work, because everything else is just noise.
As architects, often we don't choose to be architects, it chooses us.
Designing is not about doing a lot, it's about doing a lot less.
The process is very important. It's not just the end product, but the way we are building is also very important.
every moment here is you gain knowledge and there's a lot of takeaways.
We can be hard.
Namaste.
Most special feeling, and getting an award every time at FOAID is truly special for me.
This is amazing. Thank you FOAID for providing us such a beautiful platform.